Hello, Dan McMaster with DJM Tree Service. We are taking down a pretty exciting tree today. The effer is over the house, picking some of the parts that are hanging over the house. And then Kyle will actually climb in the next one and get the rest of it. I'll be back. I'm back again with DJM. Kyle is doing his part now. The tops are basically out. He just started flying some of the other tops that couldn't be reached. He's having a fun day today. The tree's dropped down on a cliff. He's climbing right up on it. He should be done with it. Thank you.